stop.
Okay, can we get out now?
Yeah, let's check how everything is.
Okay.
I think everything's okay. Alright. I think everything's alright.
Yeah.
Let's go inside and see what's wrong.
Okay.
Hurry.
Okay. Oh my gosh, Junior, look at all of the cracks in the ground just from that earthquake.
I know.
It's from all, like, what do you think it's even from? Wasn't it like, what's it called? Tectonic plates?
Yeah,
They, like,
probably. It looks like the P waves and the S waves were all combined together.
You know, there's probably going to be an aftershock, and I wonder what town it's going to go into next. We should probably find the amplitude and see how far it's going to go.
Let's do that.
Yeah, let's check it out.
April 18th, 1906, at almost precisely 5:12 a.m., an earthquake occurred with sufficient force to be felt widely throughout the San Francisco Bay Area. The earthquake reached a magnitude of 7.9, and it was caused by a rupture on the San Andreas Fault, a continental transform fault that forms part of the boundary between the Pacific Plate and the North American Plate. It extended as far as 80 kilometers inland from the fault trace.
The greatest destruction came from the fires that quake ignited. This ravaged the city from 3 days before burning itself out. This destroyed 490 city blocks, a total of 25,000 buildings, made over 250,000 homeless, and killed between 450 and 700 people. The dynamite was used to create oases in an attempt to stop the fires from harming the surrounding areas. Damage estimates topped 350 million. The earthquakes and the resulting fire are remembered as one of the worst natural disasters in the history of the United States.
This is a graph that would be shown on a Richter scale during the San Francisco 1908 earthquake. The top of the graph is called the crest, and the bottom of the graph is called the trough. The point where the graph hits the axis is called the focal point. The wavelength is represented by lambda at 20 Hz, and the period is 10 meters, and is shown on the length of the graph. The height of the graph is 20 meters, and the velocity is at 8.2 meters per second.
By the graph, we are able to see that the amplitude is 20 meters. We are going to be looking for the frequency. The frequency can be found by the equation F equals 1 over T. This is start as frequency is equal to 1 of the period. In the equation, we look for the frequency while using the period of 10 meters. So, frequency is equal to 1 over 10. This means that the frequency equals 0.10 meters. Through this, we are able to infer that it will travel 0.10 meters every second for the surrounding cities.
Tectonic plates are large plates of rock that make up the foundation of the Earth's crust and the shape of the continents. The tectonic plates comprise the bottom of the crust and the top of the Earth's mantle. The mantle underneath the tectonic plates is constantly recirculating, causing the plates to float around slowly in a process called tectonic drift. This is what causes earthquakes. When plates push up against each other, they create mountain ranges and volcanoes. This idea of tectonic plates is fairly new and was only created in the 1960s.
S-wave travels through the interior of the Earth and is usually the second wave to reach the seismograph. P-waves travels through the interior of the Earth and is usually the first wave to be recorded by seismograph.